today and share a video of all the beautiful Christmas cards that I received. I realise that we're nearly a month after Christmas. It's been and gone, and I'm putting my cards away. But I thought I would share them with you. I've got so many handmade cards this year that I thought I would share them. They're not all 100% Stampin' Up, but I didn't think that mattered. I just wanted to give you some creative inspiration or from other people. So this is the first card here. So that's the Stampin' Up. That's our beautiful detailed deer that we've got as a die there, and our snowflake dies, and just a beautiful design, some mirror card and that's for the lovely Janet. Then I have one, loved these. This was a huge hit for Stampin' Up this last December, and that's from Leslie Gillett. Had this beautiful card here, so our edgelit dies that were really popular last year, still love them, they'd still make a beautiful card, and that is from Linda. Got a card with our beautiful pattern paper there and some glimmer and glitter, that's from Diane. Look at how beautiful this is. This is a whole mixture of stuff. This is our sleigh from last year, but that's the, oh, mine's gone blank, but the ones with all the stars on last year, that's beautiful. It's all embossed as well. So love that. That's from Sue. You can't beat a Christmas jumper. This is from one of my customers. So look at this. Just cute, cute, cute. So I know that's from Steph. But lovely. And beautiful embossed card there using the shimmer paper and just highlighting one of the ornaments. But beautiful there. That was from Carrie and Andrea. Back to those naughty elves. This was a Memories and More card on the front, just made super quick cards and were perfect for Christmas cards, and that's from Sue. As you can see, it was very popular, the Santa as well, and that's backgrounds embossed, and that's from Pat. You've got this card here, so you've got the negative die cuts on the back there, you've got the tree with snow, that's embossing paste on there, a deer, and everything's on there. That's great. And that's from Linda. Look how cute this is. So not Stampin' Up, but just too cute not to share. Beautiful card, all cross-stitched. I haven't got the patience for that, but the lovely Sue has. So that was super cute. Loved that as one of my customers. So, oh, lots of foil. I hope you can see that with the light. You've got Rudolph with his red nose there. A foil card and the foil papers in the background and a foil Rudolph. That was from Pamela. And you've got some more. This is another Memories and More card in the same kit with this as well cut out. That was a great design, and that was from Jill. Loved that. Here's that deer back again, a bit more vintagey. So inking around the outside, and a nice little bow on him there, and that was from Linda. Oh, 3 Lindas. And then the special offer that we had in November was this beautiful Snow is Glistening stamp set, and that's just super cute with the velvet ribbon, and that was from Leslie. And another card there, this beautiful border and sentiment was from Debbie. Back to that tree design there, and again we've got some dimension in the centre of all of those. Now there's so I don't know who that's from. So if that's you, let me know it's you. I'm trying to think what that says. Thank you very much. It's a beautiful card. Can't for the life of me know what that is though. There you go. Let me know if it's you. Thank you. And then I've got this beautiful card here, again with the Snow is Glistening stamp set. So it's a Z fold card. So we often do them this way, but this is that way. And that is from Michelle and Simon. Beautiful pinks and greys. Gonna run out of space in a minute. And super simple, nice stamped image there, but with the inside done as well from Fiona. Lots of layers in that as well, the wood texture. Back to those edgelets, look, just love it. White on white with a soft grey sentiment. Can't go wrong, Rebecca. Back to the Snow is Glistening trees as well, and that buffalo check in the background. Nice embossed joy, some snowflakes. And that is from Rachel. And the last one to share with you is that cheeky snowman, all coloured in bright colours. Oh, and that might have been a swap I was given. I've just realised because I'm thinking there's nothing inside of it. I think that was a swap from team training. I want to say it might have been Debbie, but I'm going back a couple of months now, so there we go. So that's it, that's all I wanted to share with you. I just wanted to make sure that I shared the inspiration. That's from my team and from my customers. Some beautiful, beautiful cards that they've made. So I hope you enjoyed them. Thanks, bye.